Hey guys, so if your Ecobee smart thermostat is not working and there is no power, someone wrote here that this was the problem, how they solved it. We had a clock in a drainage pump. I guess we were being dense and didn't pay attention to the drainage pump being on every time we went downstairs. So even here, it looks like here, and you have to unplug it, and then you're gonna have like pump it with the drainage. So check the air filter. First, remove the air filter from your AC system. Then look at the drainage pan where the water collects. Debris often clogs the hole that drains the water. If the drain hole is clogged, water will overflow into safety pipe, causing the thermostat to turn off. Clear the clog by using your finger or wet dry vacuum to blow the water through the hole. Unscrew the panel and remove the water from safety pipe by draining it. And once the clog is cleared and water is drained, your thermostat should turn back on. So this is like really quick and effective video what you can try to do. And hope it's going to help you at least a little bit. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.